Welcome back to Retire Well. I'm Kristen Oakley here with both Kevin and Pete from Citizen Advisory Group. We're so glad you're joining us today. If you're just tuning in, we've picked up our conversation talking about the importance of engaging in strategic tax planning for your retirement. If you have not already, we encourage you to use this complimentary resource that's available to you. Simply visit mytaxbilltest.com. You can also get there by scanning that QR code. You're going to be able to see side by side the difference between the government's tax plan for you if you do nothing versus how much less you could pay in taxes if you enact some of these tax saving strategies that we're going to be talking about now. And really, this is something I know that you love to help folks do, is to save as much money as possible when it comes to taxes. So first up on the list of strategies, we got to talk about Roth conversions. There's a lot of talk about those these days. Explain why this is a crucial thing for folks to consider.
Yeah, so there's a lot of different tax strategies that somebody can use, but I'll jump into kind of the first one, and kind of the low-hanging fruit is the Roth conversions. Okay, is where you are, people don't realize, we're talking about all these tax problems. You know, what is it? It's a tax problem. We know it's a problem. It's like, people are like, what do I do about it? Most people are going to do nothing about it. Sit by and just let it happen. A lot of folks think there
isn't anything
they don't think there is anything you can do about it, okay? Yeah. But really what you're allowed to do, the IRS allows you to do, is voluntarily start to pay tax on your pre-tax assets. You can say, look, you know, Uncle Sam, I want to take $50,000 out of my IRA, move it over to a Roth IRA, and voluntarily pay those taxes. Now, that Roth IRA, it stays invested. It's still yours. You can get the money. It's liquid, okay? But you've already paid the tax on it. So all the growth, all the interest is completely tax-free to you, okay? And most people, I get this question all the time, is, isn't there a limit on what I can put into a Roth? Okay, there's a difference between a Roth contribution and a Roth conversion. Okay, contribution, you are limited by the government between $7,000 to $8,000 depending on your age, but a Roth conversion is unlimited. Okay, I'm not recommending you do an unlimited amount or do all of it. Okay, but you can do $100,000 of Roth conversion a year, and that's perfectly fine. So doing Roth conversions, everybody can do a Roth conversion. Okay, from age 18 to 120. Okay, you're allowed to do a Roth conversion, and there's no limit on the amount.
Yes, and while there are income limits to making contributions to Roth, those income limits don't apply to the conversion. So that's a huge thing for folks to know and understand.